My name is Mimi McKenzie. I'm a mother, I'm a guest host for QVC, and I'm a patient of Dr. Lo's. Dr. Lo came to me as a referral from actually two moms at school. I was looking for a physician who was willing to listen to what I had to say and was willing to work with my concerns and my needs without him just telling me what I needed. And that's exactly what I found with Dr. Lo. And in addition to that, I was so impressed with his artistic ability because it wasn't just I just wasn't another patient. I just wasn't another statistic for him. He was interested in helping me look the best that I could possibly be. I was absolutely amazed at my initial consultation. I didn't know what to expect. I was actually very nervous in coming into the city and then coming in to meet Dr. Lo and Gina and Mildred, two of his staffers, and I could not have been treated better. I was warmly welcomed and my concerns were immediately heard, and they were so conscientious about making me feel calm and secure about the type of surgery that I was interested in having. Upon my initial consultation with Dr. Lo and a subsequent consultation with Dr. Lo, I think what impressed me the most was that he heard my concerns, but then was able to add his professional opinion to that and explain to me how and why he was going to execute my type of surgical request to the best of his ability. What I very much appreciate about Dr. Lo is that he is an artist, not just a surgeon. Anybody can do a cut and paste job and make you look the way you want to look, but that actually may not be to the best of your natural beauty. And he takes your natural beauty, marries that with his surgical techniques, his artistic abilities, and the end result is phenomenal. I was so impressed with not only Dr. Lo, his staffers, Gina and Mildred, but also his OR staff. The follow-up after surgery, and actually, if we can just backtrack, the follow-up before surgery. I received a phone call from Dr. Lo. He wanted to address all my concerns before I even had the surgery. We then reiterated what we were about to do, exactly how we were going to do it in the OR. His OR team were just so warm and comforting because, truthfully, I was scared. And then the follow-up that occurred after that, phone call after phone call to make sure that I was comfortable, that I felt really secure about what he had done. And then we had a follow-up consultation 1 week after, and he was extremely thorough, reassuring me every step of the way that I was looking post-op exactly the way I was supposed to look. With this particular type of surgery, there are ads, there are commercials, there are news articles, there's all sorts of ways to find your physician, but I personally have found the best way to find the exact type of surgeon you need is through a personal referral. And my referral came from a mom at school, as I had mentioned before, and she too was referred, and I have since been able to refer Dr. Lo numerous times for the absolute most precise surgical procedures. You must get a personal referral in order to be happy with this type of surgery.